Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you will find new episodes. On Tuesday and Thursday, you will find food reviews and taste tests. You will also see weekly YouTube shorts, monthly shakes and smoothies, and much more. So please subscribe, hit like on the videos, and comment when you want, and we'll take this journey together. Thank you so much, Batman Dansoy. To let you know a little bit more about me, I've been in the food industry since 2005, so I have a lot of knowledge in food. I work for 3 major food corporations in retail and distribution of food. I've been in organics and natural food since 2010, so I have a lot of knowledge, and you can always leave comments and I will get back to you. So let's take this journey together, learn new recipes, go back in time, and bring back old recipes, relive them and redo them and try to make them better. So let's take this journey. There's so much more in 2021, and when 2022 comes, it's going to be a brand new year for us. COVID is going down, and let's shine and make some good recipes together. Bye-bye, Dansoy. Peace.